How to remove and treat tough stains of marble floor. Dear friends, if mopping didn't get rid of all of the grime, try these methods on tough stains. Scuffs. Gently rub the scuff with a dry tennis ball. Ink stains. Saturate a soft cloth or paper towel with rubbing alcohol and place it over the stains. Leave for a few minutes and then blot away the ink. Repeat until the ink is removed. Rinse the area well with plain water and buff dry. Oily stains. Blot away as much of the oil as possible and use a mixture of warm water and a few drops of dishwashing liquid to clean the area. If the stain remains, sprinkle the oily area with a thick layer of cornstarch. Leave the cornstarch in place for at least 4 hours to draw the oil out of the marble. Repeat until the stain is gone. Water spots. Lightly dampen the floor with plain water. Use several soft microfiber cloths to dry and buff the floor using large, circular motions. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.